Good morning from the 1st of January, but also from a very snowy morning. I was definitely not expecting this, and I feel that huge urge to change my plans, go outside, play snowball, because if you know, snow in Istanbul is something very rare. Sometimes we don't see snow for several years, so when it's snowy, like, we have to go outside, we have to enjoy it. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I haven't even had breakfast. Like, everyone is on the streets right now, guys. It's crazy. Had my winter outfit on because I cannot just sit inside and watch the snow. It's literally so beautiful. Of course, having my gloves on, and let's go.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships, till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025.
First cardio of the day done. Now I need to do a quick abs before having breakfast.
If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. Didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baited by the hook, and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between.
First coffee of the year. Cheers. So last night I sat down and filled my new 2026 planner, and I want to quickly show you how I plan everything. Here is my new baby. I've been waiting to use this one for more than a month because I got it really early, but I'm happy with my choice. So onto the first page, I just said like 2026, and the theme of the year, I said a transform, because there are many things that I want to change this year. Moving on, here is the monthly planning page, as you call it, and the other one is my calendar. But since I jot down my next video ideas, I'm gonna keep that as a secret. But here on this page, we have a to-do list, books to read, and here is a to-buy list of mine, and places I want to visit. There is a cafe that I want to go to, and my priorities and my focus for the month is waking up early, productive YouTube work, and of course income growth, because I'm gonna need that so much this year. Here are my goals for the month, and here, as you can see, there's a habit tracker. I'm gonna do my meditation. Reading is done. The other page, here is another but weekly version of habit tracker. I'm not gonna use this one that active. I'm gonna use the monthly version of that. Here is a water tracker. I plan to use this not now, but maybe next month or in the next weeks. The events that I want to go to this week, there is one that I want to go and visit and see how it goes. And my plans, I quickly want to change some things about my vision board. I actually have my vision board ready, but I will be changing small things around that. And on this page, we have our traditional to-do list, and there is a section for notes as well. I really like this idea, to be honest. And here is my to-do list. Apps is done. I actually was planning to go out for a run today, but since it was snowing, I'm gonna do that inside really quick. I need to do my English study, and I need to complete an editing and upload that video, and that is actually what I'm gonna do now. The other pages basically repeat itself. Now I'm gonna get straight into editing and uploading the video before it's too late. I have to admit there are many things that are going unplanned today, but I am not complaining. I am in a flow state, flow mood today, because I mean it's the first day of the year, and really like very unexpectedly I woke up and the view was stunning. Everywhere was white. I mean, look at the weather. There's sun right now. One of the things that I really want to get into this year is being flexible and being able to adjust my program, adjust what I need to do, because this moment is what is valuable. I wasn't planning to play snowball today, but here we are. I just played snowball and I was not feeling my fingers. Enough talking. Now I'm gonna get into some admin work. Okay, next on our to-do list, here are some makeup products that I don't use anymore and I plan to sell them. Next thing I need to do, I need to upload them to my account.
Toques suaves na pele crua, tão desconexo. Lua lá fora, no céu tão negro, traz seu reflexo. Dias contados, cair no mundo é meu desejo. Suavemente, dia quente, dia do beijo.
One of my favorite things is to do my running outdoors, but today the weather is like, I was outside like playing snowball by myself for like 15 minutes, and after that 15 minutes I was literally freezing, and right now it's below 0 degrees. So I have no plans to go outside. I am happy being a homebody at home. So let's kick off the session.
Wanna talk about love with words. I don't wanna talk about love with words. I don't wanna talk about love with words no more.
I quickly want to show you the new 2026 version of my Notion setup. I changed some pictures to, just to fit the season because we're in winter. And here are some motivating quotes and some pictures that I like. First includes all my New Year planning. If you're interested in how you can also set your New Year goals, I have so many of them on my channel. You can check them out. I'm not gonna go into detail of this one. And this is my life vision, like how I want my life to be in the 5 years, 10 years. I like to journal it here. After that, I have my budget and finances, such as my monthly budget template. It all stays the same actually. And another one for some content ideas. I like to write them down. The other one after that is my content calendar. The one after that is my sponsorships. I like to track everything, and some affiliates that I am a part of. Going down, I have my reading list. I have so many of them that I finished, that I wanna read. They're reading. I'm reading currently, like all here, and I've also sorted them in some categories. This was also, again, it was set and ready, but I've changed some titles, some emojis. Definitely a rebrand happened in my Notion. And the other one is lifelong learning, the things that I want to learn, some routines. I changed my routines a little bit. My morning routine, my night routine. I also made sure I added some rules. I've changed my workout routine, also monthly reset routine, Sunday reset routine, and after that I have a section for my future plans, like things I would like to do in the future. Again, I'm not gonna go into depth of this one. This is my wish list. Not for 2026, like all time basically, but I have a separate wish list of the items that I want to buy in 2026 here. And right after that, I have a health and nutrition section, and here I have some ideas, some staples I would like to have, and meal ideas, some healthy snack dessert ideas, and things like this. And lastly, movies to watch list, and that covers the entire Notion tour. It has been really quick, but still I wanted to show you because I am so in love. It's so basic, so minimal. I love it. So I'm about to prepare a simple dinner for tonight. So I have some leftover broccoli and some homemade pasta with some corns and tuna, but I'm gonna add a little bit more corn to it because I love it so much. I will slice up some tomato and I will add some pasta cream, and of course, because I am obsessed with fruits, I'm gonna have one orange and highly possible with a tea.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships, till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between.